have a nice day to each and everyone. So, I'm back again. I'm back again to discuss all about the exponential expressions. So, if you don't mind, or if you ask me what is exponential expressions, so exponential expression is a mathematical expression consisting of a constant, especially raised to some power. So, exponential expression, from the word exponent, we all know that the exponent is, for example, x. For example, x. And then, raised to some power, for example, 2. So, we call it x squared. Then, the 2, then the power of 2, that's what we call the exponent. Okay? So, formula expressions, a group of symbols that make a mathematical statement. So, that's the exponential expression. So for example, in exponential expression, in multiplication, add exponent of similar variables. So in multiplication, you may add only the exponent in similar variables. So a times a is equals to a squared. So did you see the raised to? That's what we call the exponent. So a times a is equals to a squared. So in division, subtract exponent of similar variables and reduce numerical coefficient. So in division, you may subtract the exponent in similar variables. So 4ab raised to the power of 3 over 8a raised to the power of 3 and b raised to the power of 2 is equal, the answer is b is over to a, 2a raised to the power of 2. Then in division, you may subtract the exponents. So you may subtract the exponents. So 4 divided by 8 is equals to 8 divided by 4 equals to 2. Then then a a divided by a3, that's why the result is a2. The a2 is because you may subtract the exponent. So b3, b to the raised to the power of 3 over b raised to the power of 2. So the the denominator b, you may cancel, and the only b in the numerator. So that's why the answer is b, 2 8 raised to the power of 2. So another example, any terms raised to 0 or with 0 exponent is equal to 1. So in any other terms that raise to 0 or having exponent of 0, it is always equal to 1. So for example, a raised to the power of 0 it is equals to 1. So it is easy to understand. So another, any terms with negative exponent is equal to its reciprocal with positive exponent. So in any terms that have the negative exponent, uh, it is equal to its reciprocal with a positive exponent. So a raised to the power of negative 1. So in the reciprocal, the exponent negative 1 will be positive 1. So a is equals to positive 1 over positive a. So that's it. It's easy. Okay, so lastly, oh, it's my picture. Thank you and God bless.